I came here to speak about next generation LED technology, including perovskite LED and stretchable LED and neuromorphic display. LED is very useful for display application. This display started with CRT, cathode ray tube technology, and then this moved to LCD. And then nowadays we are based LCD TV using quantum dot enhancement film. And also we are using organic light emitting diode for display. We are hoping our perovskite nanocrystals can be very useful for future display application. So especially for AR, VR applications. Also, this display can be combined with any stretchable technologies to make wearable displays. Conventional CMOS-based electronics usually separate sensors and processing unit. Recent flexible optoelectronics integrate all these functions into a single compact platform. So this enables highly efficient and portable system. This is gonna be ideal for a wearable healthcare system. And by combining this basic technology with soft stretchable materials, we envision on-body intelligent processing that operate without internet connectivity or external computing. So to achieve this, we are now exploring multifunctional device architectures based on organic and nanomaterials and like polymers and perovskite, moving beyond the limitation of silicon electronics. We are hoping that this technology can be very useful for patients, for example. So nurses usually observe the patients all the time. So that's a very tiring job, right? So, but if we embed neuromorphic display, will display when there is some kind of risky situation happen. Then nurse can recognize this kind of risky situation very well, and then we can avoid any risky situation. There are another example. If there is a certain injury on the body, and then so we don't recognize the biosignal because the biosignal is very weak. Then this biosignal can be accumulated together. Then we can recognize them with the display. So this actually detects very weak repetitive biosignals, and we can identify early stage of injury of patients. Also, we are expanding our application to skin attachable healthcare patches and neuromorphic feedback system, especially for neuroprosthetic application.
You want more MatSci? Well, don't go anywhere. Click right here to watch all of our content from the 2025 MRS Spring Meeting. Have fun.